Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, you were using your Garmin Connect app as usual, but now you want a local backup of your runs. Or you need your raw files for a coach maybe or whatsoever. So in today's small tutorial, we're gonna talk on how to actually download your Garmin data in the app or basically in the whole platform. Fast and easy as usual, let's get started. So, first and first, we are, for example, on desktop. All we're gonna do is log into connect.garmin.com. Go look for activities, tap on it in the left menu, then click the specific activity you want, not the checkbox, the actual activity title. Then look at the top right. Click the gear icon, choose export file. This downloads basically a zip file. Inside is your native.fit file, the original highest fidelity recording from your own watch. So for example, for our app here, we're gonna tap on Garmin Connect, go all the way, use your email address and password to actually basically just log in. So we're gonna go, for example, here we have this calendar, we have this more options, we have activities. Then we have this all activities. We also have this create manual activity. For example, you're gonna go all activities and they're gonna tell you go to getting started, garminconnect.com, start and choose your Garmin device for information about uploading activities. So basically it's the same steps for Android or even desktop. Don't worry about it. You can even pick a different format if you need to. That same gear menu gives you even a .gpx for route sharing and .tcx for heart rate and basically the lab data. Pick what you need and export it. And that's it. Thank you all for watching and I will see you all in the next video.